So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in video element inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and add, let's say, for example, one column section. You can add any column section here. And then you can see that the video is an option right here. Simply go ahead and click. And then what you can do right here in the video section is go ahead and add in a YouTube URL if you want. You can even go ahead and add in Microsoft Clipchamp URL right here or a video URL as well. So what I'm going to do right here is add in a video URL from Pixabay right here, just like this. And what happens is that it will go ahead and load up that video, as you can see here, just like this. And you get a player controls around over here as well. And you can also go ahead and add in YouTube video link over there. So to do that, you can simply go around over here and then choose YouTube and add in the YouTube URL just like this as well. And it loads up the YouTube URL just like this, as you can see. And that is simply how you can go ahead and add in video as you want. And you can go ahead and then resize this out, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and rearrange the position of it and even go ahead and make the changes to the video design. You can add in border, you can add in corner radius, work around with the layout, as you can see right here, just like this, as you want, and work around with the flex option right here as well to add in gap and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this as well. So you can also go around over here onto the option right here, just like this, and reset it out as well. For the video, what you can also do is you can go around over here and set the start time right here. You can enable and disable the player control. You can turn on autoplay and loop, and you can even go ahead and set the start time right here for which is denoted by hour, minutes, and seconds. So I'm just going to say 00 hour. Let's say, for example, you can go 30 seconds right here and frames right here, and the start frame will be set accordingly right here. So you can see that this is actually on YouTube right now. So let me just go ahead and change the video clip to video URL itself right here, just like this, so that it loads up this particular video. And over here, you can actually go ahead and then add in this starting time as well. So let's just go around over here. 00 is 4 hours. Let me just go around and say 3 seconds right here. 00 right here, just like this. And then if I were to press OK, then what happens is that the start time will be set accordingly right there. And then you will be able to see the video from that particular timing when someone else plays right here. So this is the option, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go ahead and change out the location of the video as you want as well. And that is simply how you can go ahead and add in video element inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.